Hey there, flute players. Hope you're all doing well. Just a couple of things before we get to the actual notes that we play. When we're holding it, we need to be nice and tall, okay? It doesn't have to be perfectly straight right angle like this, but the closer to a right angle we have, the better. When you start doing stuff like this, it can be hard to make a sound because your lip's not contacting the right way, okay? Remember that the hole in the lip plate is lined up roughly with the center of the keys on the front, and that the rod here is lined up with these keys on the foot joint. When we're holding it, the left hand goes about here, resting on the knuckle, okay? Just enough so we can be pressing this button in the back with our left thumb. And the left fingers, we skip this top key right here. We press down this key, we skip another one, middle finger right there, ring finger right there, and our pinky should just be resting on this. We're not using it right now, but it should be resting there. And then this comes up. Our lip is resting on the lip plate here, and we should be blowing sort of across, sort of down into. You just need to experiment to get that sound. And our right hand looks like this. Our pinky is pressing this down for all the notes we're going to be playing in the folk medley. And then we have ring finger, middle finger, index finger. 1, 2, 3, just like that. To play a B, which is our first note, you're only pressing down this first key, the thumb on the back, and this pinky right here. And it should sound like this. That's a B. To play an A, we just put our middle finger down on this key while keeping the B finger too. Good. And to play a G, we put this finger down while keeping the other two down as well. And those are the only 3 notes you need for the entire folk medley, actually. So here's how you play hot cross buns. It's B, A, G. And again. Practice that a few times just to make sure you really have that down, okay? And then the next thing we do is we just play those same notes, but actually we play them in reverse order now. So we're starting from the G. 4 G's, now 4 A's. And remember, the beginning of each note starts by saying either tu or ta, which takes our tongue against the back of our teeth and it interrupts the airflow. You don't want to blow, you don't want to attack each note with a new breath, like that's not what we want, okay? We want one long breath separated by the tongue saying ta or tu against the back of the teeth. So we got our first part. Play that twice. Now. So that's all of hot cross buns. Practice that until you really have that down and strong. The next thing that we're going to play is La Claire de Lune, and we start on a G, and we play 3 in a row, and then an A, and then a B, and an A. It sounds like this. Then we go from G to B to 2 A's and a G. I'll do that one again since I played a B on accident. The whole thing together sounds like this for La Claire de Lune.